Let's polish some fluorite. Fluorite, also called fluorspar, is a member of the halide mineral group. I'm going to start this process by shaping the crystal with a diamond-coated grinding drum. I'm using a 200 series Dremel, and the link for these grinding drums is in the description below. My goal here is to get every side as flat and even as I can. By changing the angle, I'm able to use the grinding drum like a chisel to quickly remove large sections. Really quick, I just want to say thank you for watching, and please subscribe while you're here. Once I'm happy with the rough shape, I go over the crystal one last time with the diamond drum. This looks pretty good to me, but I'm noticing some chipping on the edges. This just means that the diamond drum is a little too rough on this crystal. To fix this, I gently work the crystal on our variable speed polisher. I'm using a 40 grit silicon carbide sanding disc. The link for this polisher and sanding disc is also in the description. As you can see, this is a gentler, more uniform approach to shaping. I personally prefer the Dremel because I enjoy the creative freedom it allows, but in some cases, as with fluorite, a gentler approach is needed. I worked down a high spot on one of the large sides, but I wanted to leave as much material on these sides as possible. The chips and cracks will get worked out with the lower sanding disc grits. Back to the Dremel, starting with a 60 grit silicon carbide sanding disc. As I said, this is a 200 series Dremel, and you can pick these up almost anywhere. The link for the sanding discs is also in the description below. Next is 80 grit. Then 100. $150. $240. $400. $800. $1,200. $2,000. $3,000. $5,000. And finally $10,000. Here it is completely dry. Now I'm going to apply mineral oil with a cut of denim fabric. Mineral oil cleans the surface and gives the piece a nice wet look. I love the beautiful iridescent flashes here. Here it is after drying for a few days. And now let's look at it with a flashlight. Fluorite most commonly occurs as a glassy, many-hued vein mineral in well-formed crystals. A single crystal may have zones of different colors that follow the contour of the crystal faces. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.